Andrew and I are riding up here through Montana. We're about, I don't know, 75 miles outside of Great Falls, almost done for the day. And we came across, I hope I can film them, but I don't even know if my lens is clean. I tried to do it real quick, but there's this crazy guy over here to the right doing crop dusting. And man, he is like 15 feet off the ground. I don't know if you can see it, but he's out there. There he is, banking on a turn. Hopefully he flies back again around this way and we can still get him, but I don't know. Just unbelievable. Here he comes right now. I'm trying not to get run over. There he goes. I got this crazy guy on the, oh my God, he goes right over the wires. That's amazing. That was unbelievable. His wing just cleared those electrical wires, and I mean by 5 feet and no more.